Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows 11 update not installing error code KB5121007 KB5120708. If you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go services. In this you search app readiness, right click on this, click on properties, select automatic on startup type, then click on start, click on OK. After doing this, select background intelligent transfer service, right click on this, click on properties, then select here automatic in startup type, then click on start, click apply and OK. Then select here Windows update. You can see here Windows update, right click on this, click on properties, select here automatic, then click on start, click on OK. After doing this, close this window, go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, then type here sfc space / scan now, hit enter, wait for 100%. After 100%, close this window, go to the Windows 11 settings, select here troubleshoot, select other troubleshoot. In this you can see here Windows update, click on run. It will take some time. After completion, close this window, open your Chrome, then type here download Windows 11, hit enter, select first one. In this, it will be scroll down, download this one before you begin using the media creation tool, then click on download now. After downloading, close this window and restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this video you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.